That's about it. Except that apparently Jonah wants me to say something about society's fire.
All reporters, please report to the city desk. All reporters, please report to the city desk.
I don't even matter right now. The express is where we're not waiting that far back. We're not waiting that far back.
Robbie Robertson to the press room at once. Robbie Robertson, you are needed in the press room now.
The sinister syndicate has absconded with our city's, and indeed the nation's, greatest symbol of freedom, the Statue of Liberty.
Shown here in police surveillance photos are the notorious members of the syndicate: Dr. Octopus, Scream, Hobgoblin, Electro, and Hydro Man.
Separately, they're each horribly evil in their own right, but together.
This is Jonah Jameson. Roger, over. Is this thing on? Listen, Scoop. Crime reports are coming in from all over the city, and I'm starting to get worried. Did you see that? The spider signal. With Spider-Man nearby, trouble can't be far away. And you know what trouble means. Headlines! National coverage! So don't screw this up! I mean, good luck. Man, you shouldn't be out here.
With Doc Ock on the loose, this could be the most dangerous night of my life. And yours. Be careful. Nice shades.
Is that Spider-Man? No good. In red leotard.
Dr. Octopus, everything's going as planned.
Excellent. And with my anti-gravity cannon, even Spider-Man won't be able to stop me.
You mean stop us?
Yes, of course.
Hey, what's going on?
What was that? Intruder! If you think you're getting out of here, you're in for it.
So much for being careful. Just get back to the bugle and...
Things are just starting to...
I need time to throw you off the street.
things up. You guys did all right. But don't give up your day job. Say cheese. See you later.
Congratulations, you're heroes. I knew it all the time.
Good job, Team Scoop. You did great. Now, when the scoop comes to a stop, carefully raise your...
Let's go. I need a shout to the theme park shark. When I'm on it, yo, my scheme's real hard. Hitting rappers from every direction, y'all are starving. Till I swarm on you with the shark fin. Matt coming after y'all. These rappers be the fake type, yeah.